Hey guys, Coach Rich here, back with another video. Some people wonder about the differences between American and British accents. Having the skill to identify the differences can help you improve your English comprehension. In this video, we will focus on their 5 main differences. Let's go. Number 1, the bath vowel. These are words that are commonly spelled with an A. For the American accent, open your mouth wide and lower the front part of your tongue. Ah. For the British accent, open your mouth wide and tense the back of the tongue. Ah. Ask. Ask. Glass. Gloss. Fast, fast. Number 2, the lot vowel. These are words that are commonly spelled with an O. For the American accent, the lips are more opened. Ah. For the British accent, the lips are slightly rounded. O. Option, option. Top, top. Rock, rock. Number 3, the YOD sound. This represents words that have a Y sound. For some American accents, the Y sound is often removed. For the British accent, the Y sound is included. Tuna, tuna. Aluminum, aluminium. Number 4, the middle T. These are words that are spelled with a T somewhere in the middle. For the American accent, this is commonly pronounced like a soft D or similar to a Spanish R. The tongue taps lightly on the tooth ridge behind the upper front teeth. For the British accent, however, this is pronounced with a clear T sound, where the tongue is placed in the same position, stopping the air and then release. T. Butter, butter. Little, little. Button, button. And number 5, the middle or final R. In the American accent, the R sound is mostly produced by tensing the back of the tongue and slightly lifting the front. For the British accent, the R is omitted, meaning the tongue is relaxed. Shared, shared. Hard, hard. Work, work. Tomato, tomato. Garage, garage. Vase, vase. Schedule, schedule. Basil, basil. Herb, hob. Advertisement, advertisement. Ant, aunt, ant, ant. Hey mate, what's the matter? Well, my aunt died last night. So what? I reckon there are plenty of ants around. So this concludes our video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and see you next time.